So let's break this up into three parts: mounting, adjustment, and wiring. So when it comes to wiring, it's all dependent if it's the serial series or the 3-mode series. The Q serial 1X and 2X will come with power and ground and 2 serial wires that connect to your serial link converter. The Q3 mode has 2 programmable modes, along with a pattern selector switch and a color selector switch. Now, one thing to point out is that the Q3 mode has 3 programmable modes. However, in the cigarette plug, you're only given access to 2 programmable modes. That's because there's no space to fit a third switch on the cigarette plug. One switch for mode 1, one switch for mode 2, pattern selector, and color selector. If you want access to 3 modes and you wish to install your dash light as a permanent mount inside your vehicle, you can easily disconnect the cigarette plug and get access to those 3 modes. So I went ahead and disconnected the cigarette plug to show you that you have access to 3 modes inside every harness, regardless of the fact that there's only 2 modes on the cigarette plug. When it comes to installing a dash light, you really have 2 options. It's either a suction cup mount or a permanent mount. The suction cups are standard on a 1X or 2X dash light. If you wish to permanently mount your dash light on the windshield, you can do it with a 3M attachment bracket. Simply unscrew the suction cups and add the attachment bracket in its place. Depending on your windshield angle, you have a vertical adjustment knob located on the side of both the 1X and 2X dash light.